Hello kids, today we are learn alphabet A to Z and color name. Blue color, sky blue color, pink color, dark green color, orange color, yellow color, purple color, light green color, brown color, red color, peach pink color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint blue color. A for aeroplane. Pink color. B for banana. Dark green color. C for cat. Orange color. D for doctor. Light green color. E for elephant. Yellow color. F for frog. Purple color. G for grapes. Blue color. H for hen. Pink color. I for island. Dark green color. J for joker. Orange color. K for kangaroo. Light green color. L for lamp. Yellow color. M for mouse. Purple color. N for net. Blue color. O for octopus. Pink color. P for pen. Dark green color. Q for queen. Orange color. R for rainbow. Light green color. S for sun. Yellow color. T for tiger. Purple color. U for umbrella. Blue color. V for volcano. Pink color. W for watch. Dark green color. X for xylophone. Orange color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Light green color. Z. Z for zip. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.